In British English. Volcano. Volcano.
Volcano. Volcano.
Volcano. Volcano.
Examples in phrases and sentences.
Claire had been building up a silent volcano of resentment. Visually, the city keeps you enthralled, with its setting atop a series of extinct volcanoes and rocky crags. It looked a pleasant enough place from the ship even if, according to the guidebooks, it was built in the crater of an extinct volcano. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find similar videos for each and every English word in the dictionary on our website.